Hi everyone, I just wanted to jump on here real fast and just kind of give you a little life update. We did end up having our baby, and I just wanted to introduce you to James. He was born at the end of January, so he's just over 2 weeks old now at this point. So we've been adjusting to that newborn life, so I've been a little absent lately, but we do have a lot more videos scheduled and planned for the upcoming weeks. So stay tuned for those. But I did just want to jump on here and show you this little cuteness bundle. He's got little squishy cheeks that are starting to fill out, and I'm sure you guys will see him in a lot more future videos, especially as we probably start gardening outside more. I'll probably have him strapped to me for a lot of those, or sitting close by. So I just wanted to give you a little update since I know a lot of you were curious, since we announced it in one of our previous videos. So he is here, and we are just absolutely head over heels in love with him, and pretty much just trying to soak in all of the time that we can, getting these little cute newborn snuggles in. So thank you guys all so much for all of your support and encouragement during this time, and patience with us as we adjust to our newborn lifestyle and of being new parents. So I just wanted to say thank you guys for all of your support, and hopefully you will see this little cuteness a lot more. Thanks, bye.